Okay, y'all, this is what we're gonna need today. Today we're gonna be doing roast beef gravy sandwiches. You're gonna need yourself some po' boy. Go to the deli, get your favorite roast beef. You're gonna need some cracked pepper. And you know I am with the popcorn butter. That's for the bread. But you also need the secret ingredient, which is this. Don't tell nobody. This is Lipton Recipe Secrets beef. Plus I'm gonna use a flat. Alright, let's get it started in here. Alright, we're gonna lay down that foundation with that popcorn butter. Just like that. We like a good even spray of the popcorn butter. Right. I don't think that's enough though. So we're gonna give it a start. Nope, knew it. I knew it. So at the toilet floor, let's wipe it up. Get them toasted. Alright, I done moved them around enough, y'all. You know, I'm gonna move them around at 400 degrees there. I need a good toasting on these though. Good toasting. You'll see why in the end. But I think they are ready. Let's see. Yeah. One for the money. Yeah, two for the show. Three to get ready. Go, cat, go. Get that out of our way. And get ready to start making some gravy. Alright, got our little saucepan here. Butter flavor spray. It's almost a useless part, y'all, but I just like that part. I just liked it. Alright, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take 3½ cups of that water. Pour our Lipton beef onion mix into that 3½ cups. Give it a little stir. Alright, I told y'all this gonna be easy. I think I did, but this gonna be easy. Now what you wanna do is, you wanna take this 3½ cups of water and this Lipton beef onion, and pour it in the saucepan. Oh man, I got everything stuck to the bottom. I'm gonna go rinse this out. Well, put a little water in it so I can pour it out. Now you see how this boiling? Every occasion we wanna give it a little stir. And we're gonna do that for about 10 minutes or so. We try to let it thicken up. Okay, it's done been about 2 minutes of boil, which is over, but I wanted to do that like that. Alright, what we're gonna do, we wanna turn that heat down to a medium now. Then we're gonna let it simmer for about 9 more minutes or so. Or so I say. I might end up putting some cornstarch in here to thicken it up. Don't know. But I'm gonna turn it down just a little more. I say to this stove goes up to like a 8½, or 10. I'm gonna put it like on a 3 and let that simmer. Alright, now we got pretty much this consistency. Just a little thick. That's what I want. I want it thicker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bump this heat up to almost high and start adding that meat. Matter of fact, meat kind of cold, so I'm gonna hide it up all the way. Cause this meat gonna bring it down. And it's so got them so thin, so I'm gonna do 2 slices at the time or so. 2 or 3 slices. I'm not gonna put the whole thing in there, or I'm not gonna just put one in there. Gotta get that all cooked and ready. Alright, now bump that heat down. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it back to simmer. Then I'm gonna let that do its thing for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let them soak up some of this onion juice. We'll be back with it. Alright, this here been going for about 2 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this heat off. Let it gradually go down on its own. I'm gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. Plus I'm gonna move it off the fire all the way. Let the heat, go down. And that's gonna allow my gravy to thicken up just a little bit more. Then when we're ready to put it on, we'll be ready to sandwich that up. Alright. Get it cracking. Put a little mayo, y'all. Mayo. Like that. Can I open it? Y'all, you do not have to put this mayo on there. Just a choice I choose. You can top it with lettuce. You can top it with tomato. You can top it with mushroom. You can top it with some cheese. But as I stated to you earlier about the toastiness of this bun, you will see why. Put a little crushed black pepper. Fresh ground, y'all. Fresh ground. Give it that. Give it that. That's what it's gonna give it. Now, this is what we ended up with. I mean, it could have stood to be a little thicker, y'all. Like I said, I could have took some cornstarch, because it has cornstarch in the pack already. Could have took some cornstarch and thickened it up. But we're gonna go with this. Yeah. That's what we got. Try that.